Anytime, anywhere, Bil Mini Taxi 96 is there. Based in Torshavn, the company is conveniently located near the East Harbour, next to Smyril Line and the bus station. Servicing the Faroe Islands since 1952, Bil Mini Taxi 96 has been a main transportation provider to the airport since 1963, catering to both world travelers and locals. Looking to do some exploring while in the Faroes, the company offers tours of the islands, which can be booked in advance. This allows visitors to see and do more in less time. Every trip is an experience with colorful characters providing the best in quality service as they navigate your journey. So whether you're a local needing a ride home or a world traveler wanting to explore, Bil Mini Taxi 96 is at your service. Bil Mini Taxi 96, going further for less.